Hi, I'm Ben from Western Laundry and Dry Cleaning here in Prescott, Arizona. We're located at 1046 Willow Creek Road, right in between Cal Ranch and Safeway next to Jay's Bird Barn. We do laundry and dry cleaning. We also offer full-service alterations, so that's if you're getting a wedding dress done or just getting a pair of pants hemmed, we can handle that. On the commercial side, we offer janitorial supplies, so food and beverage, and then we do resort linen and then commercial linen, so that would be food and beverage linen. There's really nothing too small that we don't handle or too large. The people that we get to interact with over the counter are commercial accounts. You know, it's so interesting to me, and being able to serve people is by far my favorite part.